Hello everyone, it's me, Cillary Hilton. I've gone short again. My mother said she liked my hair short. Our mother-daughter relationship is that of storybook crap. Anyone remember Cersei Lannister? Anyone remember Casey Anthony? Now Harambe. That's a great maternal role model. I love doing shadow puppets with my cat. I'm way better at it than he is. He only knows how to do one animal. It's official. The Environmental Protection Agency, or the EPA, is shutting down their climate change sector, which was set up by Richard Nixon. This is an $8.14 billion budget that is going somewhere else now. I've also come to the conclusion that the climate is mad at humanity. And all this late spring weather is a way of nature putting mankind in a time out. We need to find Hillary Clinton before the polar ice caps melt. Where is Hillary Clinton? Where in the world is Hillary Clinton? Is she still lost in the woods? No. She's giving talks on diversity at conferences, at educational institutions. I mean, what else do you expect from the leader of the pantsuit nation? How come being called a latchkey kid is good, but being called a free-range parent is bad? That's biased parent shaming. My mother and I are instituting book clubs for police officers. It's in order to help police officers identify with the younger community, the teenagers coming out of high school. It would help bring teens and police officers to a commonality. I read on my mother's Facebook page, to let resistance plus persistence equal progress. You can also still follow Hillary Clinton on Instagram and on Twitter at Hillary Clinton. Did this video go viral yet? Damn it, Haura! Hello. This is not Cillary Hilton. I am not sitting in the same chair that you saw 10 seconds ago. I am anonymous, and I am seeking participants in the feminist movement. We are seeking Cillarys, but I am not Cillary Hilton. I'm not Cillary Hilton. Should I change my voice? Should I change my voice? Should I change my voice? We are seeking several Cillarys. I can't get this thing to stay on. We are recruiting for the all-girl army. We want you. If you want to be part of the most important movement in feminist history, you only have to do a few things. Wear mismatched shoes in protest of conformity. Don't use the letter F on Fridays. Wear a veil as a fashion statement. You know, just 'cause you want to. If you do these things, you are inducted as a Cillary in the feminist movement. We are seeking several Cillarys for social change and world domination. Any femi girl or femi guy may apply. How do I make it go viral? Haura, how do I make it go viral? I wonder if Samantha Bee and Chelsea Handler like each other. What makes you think the Easter Bunny is a boy? Don't use the letter F on Fridays. For feminism!